In semiconductor manufacturing, precise photoresist coating is essential to achieving consistent lithography performance and high device yield. Sono-Tek brings decades of expertise in ultrasonic spray coating technology, delivering controlled, repeatable photoresist deposition for advanced semiconductor wafer processing, especially in MEMS and other high aspect ratio applications where traditional spin coating is not able to provide uniform coverage of deep trenches and varying topographies. At the core of each system is Sono-Tek's proprietary ultrasonic nozzle, which uses high-frequency vibration to atomize photoresist solutions into extremely fine, uniform droplets. This low-velocity, non-contact spray gently deposits photoresist onto the wafer surface, reducing mechanical stress while enabling exceptional control of film thickness and uniformity. Unlike conventional spin coating, ultrasonic spray coating minimizes edge bead formation and significantly reduces material waste. The finely controlled droplets conform to complex wafer topographies, delivering excellent step coverage across trenches, vias, and high aspect ratio features. Sono-Tek's SPT200WS system combines single or dual automated wafer handling stations with our precision ultrasonic coating heads. Each dual cassette wafer handling system automatically aligns, loads, coats, and unloads wafers, delivering consistent, high uniformity coatings for 100, 150, 200, and optional 300 mm wafers, all without operator intervention. Programmable motion, precise flow control, and adjustable coating parameters produce smooth, defect-free photoresist films with consistent thickness profiles. An optional integrated post-coating heat plate is available immediately following wafer coating as an additional automated step in the coating process. Designed for cleanroom compatibility, Sono-Tek platforms deliver precision ultrasonic coating solutions for today's most demanding semiconductor wafer applications.